I don't think you're going to believe this. And I don't believe this. So we file lawsuits against consulates and embassies around the world for people who are stuck in administrative processing. And in court, the government argues that the reason the visas are stuck in administrative processing is because of the pandemic, the coronavirus. So do you think that in the fall of 2024, the reason that visas are delayed is because of the coronavirus? Let me know what you think about this in the comments below.